Hello everyone. So today I'm going to teach you on how to turn on post sharing on Instagram stories. So we can easily share the stories of others like this and add to your story over here and add it to your story. But sometimes what happens that you want to share a story of someone else, but you cannot. This is because your friends is probably private or your account is probably private when other people try to share your story. So what you're going to do is first make sure that your account is public and go to account privacy, and over here it's public right now. Turn it off, and then after, what you're going to do is go down and you have over here sharing and reuse over here. So in this, you just allow people to share your content and just enable it. So stories, message posts, and reels to stories, this is what you need. Repost, post, and so it's enabled, so it is easier for others to do it now. So thank you so much for watching.